Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple smoky eye. It's going to be tricks and hacks, I guess you could say, on how to get the perfect smoky eye. It's going to be super basic and I'm going to walk you through the whole thing. I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is clip back my hair. Excuse it if it looks bad, but that's going to have to do. Okay. Oops, this one came out. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get my skin primed, and actually I lied. I'm not gonna do that first. I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take just basic tape, okay? Scotch tape. I know it sounds a little bit scary, but we can do it. It's fine. I'm gonna show you that it's gonna work. So you're gonna take some, I put it on the back of my hand to make it not so sticky and like rip it off a couple times, just so that that stickiness isn't there. And then you're gonna go on your follow the natural water line. So this line in here, you're gonna follow that. Go under your eyelashes and place it like that. And I'm gonna look super weird right now. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I changed up the background. I don't know if this looks better. I feel like because the other one was a little bit difficult to use. Like, I don't know. I like this one better, I think. I think it looks better, but we'll see. Okay. So it's like that. I know it looks weird, but okay. So you're gonna just make sure that they're even on either side. Like this one, I feel like goes a little bit further down. If it's not, in the end, we can fix it, but there, like that. Okay, now I'm just going to prime my eyes as always, taking the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I don't know why, like I know the name of this. I use it every single time and I always mess up on the name. Where is my brush for this? Here it is. Nope. Here it is, I found it. Okay, so I'm just going to paint this on my eyes, going over the tape right here, like all the way to the tape. It's okay if you put it on the tape because it's just gonna come off, you know. Okay, and then I'm going to lightly set that with a little bit of translucent setting powder. I'm looking for it. I'll just use the Ben Nye banana powder. You can use whatever setting powder you want. It doesn't really matter. It's just to set your eyes. It feels so weird having this on. Okay, now to start off, I'm going to take this brush right here. So it's a fluffy brush, but it's longer. It's like a long, fluffy brush. And I'm going to be using the Naked 2 palette. This has super easy cool tone colors in here. The first color I'm going to start with is called Tease. It's this one right here, and I'm just going to place that in my crease. Next, taking more of a precise brush. This is called the Pro Airbrush Crease by Sephora Brush. And I'm going to take the black color right here called Blackout. Just taking a very small amount on my brush. I'm going to start off by going along the tape line. And then in the crease, but just not as far as we took that first shade. I'm now just going back with the original brush I used in the same color Tease, and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to pack on the lid this color right here called Foxy. Alright, and then if you look at the edge, it makes a super sharp edge where I put that tape, and it will make it easier to blend out on the side. So now, I don't like having the line that sharp. If you do, that's totally fine. You can always keep that. But I just like to take a blending brush and just blend it a little bit. And that was super simple. I mean, I really just used 3 colors. That's really all I did. And it's not that hard to achieve if you really want to try it. So next I'm going to be doing my foundation and face makeup, and I've been really loving this like primer moisturizer concoction. It is super over the top and super ridiculous that no one needs to be doing this, but I really like it. I start off with the Glam Glow Starter, and it's the Illuminizing Moisturizer. Mine is in the shade Nude Glow. And I'll just take a little bit of that on my finger and then rub it in and put that all over my face. And this really is so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like creamsicles. I love it. I love that. Okay. Next, I take a little bit of the Porefessional primer. This one is the Radiance one. Like, it's called the Pearl Primer or something. It's the sister of the Porefessional one. I don't know. I like it. And then I rub it between my hands to warm it up a little bit, and I put it in any areas that I have a lot of pores. Then taking the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, I'm going to put this all over my face. It is super blinding and is gonna look crazy, but it'll look better when we put foundation on top. For foundation, I'm going to mix them. I'm going to use the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. This is too dark for me, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it with a concealer that I have. Then taking a kabuki brush, I'm just going to blend that in. Now I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer under my eyes, down my nose, and my forehead. I'm going to blend that in with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Next, to bronze my skin, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and a Wet n Wild powder brush. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4 and fill in my brows. For highlighter, I'm using the Becca Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Champagne Pop. And the lipstick I'm going to use is, hold on, let me try some. I'll be right back. For lipstick, I'm using the L'Oreal JLo lipstick. I love this. It's at the drugstore. And I'm just going to put it on my lips. And that's all for this makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoy. All the products that I use will be linked below, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!